Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Subject Crypto. I am your host, Ethan, and coming up in the future, we're going to have an intro. We might have a little bit of rebranding, new marketing, a little bit of this and a little bit of that. My throat currently is a little bit sore, so I hope it doesn't sound too bad on the mic, and I appreciate everybody for tuning in today. That being said, crypto markets are relatively, for the most part, neutral. We got big players such as Ethereum up 3.44% for the day. We got Tether weakening, XRP 1%, 2% Bitcoin Cash, Chainlink, a big player, almost 0.6%, Litecoin 2% increase. Like, we're pretty good day. I mean, not like a great day, but it's a good day, you know? There's one player I wanted to talk about down here, Aave. I think that's how you pronounce that. It's up 26%. I might have to do a little bit of research on that, see what happened there, because it's only at 7 cents with less than $1 billion market cap, so it easily could go up further. Other than that, you got some decent plays. There's a lot of people out here. I don't want to mess with most of these, but there's a lot of players out here that did well. But for the big caps, the mid caps, it was an okay day, and that's great. So going on to the chart, just wanted to bring this up. We did get the bounce off of the resistance turn support line, so that's good, indicating that we are still in an uptrend. Things are still looking pretty good, and I would set a target probably at 12,000, I think, in the next couple days. If not, going to retest the 12.5 level, and then maybe a little bit above that, just to stay in the trend. So I'm predicting more upside than downside. Anything could happen. The chart is this market is still tied a little bit to traditional markets, so anything that happens there could affect this as well. But in normal circumstances, I would expect this to continue in an upward trend for at least a couple more days of positive price action, followed by some more sell-off, and then just continuing up. And that's pretty much all I'm expecting right now. Everything looks pretty normal. And I wanted to bring up the Dixie here. I made a video a couple days ago in regards to trading in 2020, investing in 2020, and it was at 92 cents. Now we're sitting at about 93 cents. Dollar strengthened a little bit. What does this mean? It means that the dollar has increased in buying power a little bit, just a little bit. I think we could get a little bit more strength up to this upper 93, almost 94 cents. That would kind of indicate to me that it's going to go back up. It's going to strengthen more. But my heart is telling me that this is going to end very soon. Very soon. It's going to go back downward. So going on to the NASDAQ. NASDAQ did pretty well today. We had a very good solid candle. We're still sitting in this triangle of support and the little bit of resistance. Most of the volume is closer to the support, so I believe that will indicate that this might not continue on this way for very much longer, but I could be wrong there as well. And the last thing I wanted to bring up was the Dow Jones. Dow Jones broke above our triangle, our ascending triangle, indicating that, I mean, typically these things don't end this way, but honestly, I'm thinking just now, I'm thinking because this was a support line back here, and then once that broke, it was a slippery slope. So I'm thinking either we're not gonna make it above this, and we're just gonna go back down, or we might retouch the high, and then something crazy could happen. But we did break above out of this ascending triangle, which typically doesn't end that way. It typically ends in a fall off. But I don't know. That'll be an interesting one. We will be covering that more just because it seems a little different than normal. But also the markets are currently different than normal. So, and that's everything I really have for today. I got a lot of work to do, getting the intro done, getting the marketing stuff done, and I thank everyone for watching. Go ahead and watch some other videos. They're not all dated. Some of them have some good information in them. So thank you all. Subscribe. Hit the like button if you want. I love y'all. Peace.